In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to immediately mark a transaction as reconciled in Xero. Whether you're managing your business finances or helping someone else with theirs, knowing how to keep things organized and up to date is crucial. Xero is a powerful tool that can make this process much smoother and more efficient, but only if you know how to fully utilize its features. So, let's get started, and in a few simple steps, you'll be a pro at marking transactions as reconciled. First, we'll begin on the Xero dashboard, which is your command center for managing your finances. At the top of the page, you will notice the toolbar. Go ahead and locate the Accounting tab, which you can find near the top of the screen. When you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, choose the Bank Accounts option. This is where Xero organizes your various bank accounts and transactions, allowing you to have a clear overview of your financial activities at a glance. Once you've selected bank accounts, you'll be presented with a list of accounts. Now, it's time to choose the specific bank account that contains the transaction you want to mark as reconciled. Clicking on that account will take you to a more detailed view where all transactions related to this account are listed. Next, navigate to the Account Transactions tab. In this section, you'll find an in-depth list of all your transactions. On the right side of each transaction, you should see an indication of whether each one is reconciled or not. This is a quick way to check the status of your financial entries and ensure everything matches your expectations. If you spot any unreconciled transactions that require attention, the process to update them is straightforward. First, you'll want to select the checkbox next to each transaction that you need to mark as reconciled. You can select a single transaction or multiple by simply ticking the boxes next to each one. With your transactions selected, direct your attention to the top of the list where you'll see a More button. Clicking on that will reveal several options for handling your transactions, but for our purposes today, simply choose the Mark as Reconciled option. This effectively updates the status of the transactions to reconciled, ensuring your records are accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully marked your transactions as reconciled, keeping your accounts in perfect order. Remember, staying on top of your financials in this way not only helps maintain good records, but also aids in identifying any discrepancies before they become problematic. Keep practicing, and it will quickly become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reconciling in Xero.